Good morning, you YouTubers. So this was happened last night. We supposed to get 7 inches of snow tonight. And you know, they ain't used to no snow around here. So my front yard look crazy. Truck is in the snow. So finna get hit, y'all. So I'll be in the house sewing while it's outside snowing.
This
So
how
let's
y'all
get
do
it.
me? This how y'all do me? In the blizzard? What the hell is this? We gonna see what happens though, man. They did me bad, man. They did me bad. That might be the wrong damn color, but it'll be alright. So, this is the color of the material, and this is the color of the carpet. So, it has a nice contrast. So, we all good on the cutlass. Cutlass carpet has arrived. Now it's time to put that bitch back together, y'all. Yeah. It's gonna be a long, long, long day. I don't think I'm going out in this stuff, but we got the carpet, so it's all good here. Listen to the birds. As I told y'all, I do 3 sets of buckets, a whole complete interiors a week. Dropping these at the shop because I'm tired of them being at home in my workshop. So they going to the shop, go grab some more. Let's get it. So I test fitted the seats in here to see how they look. And of course I put the rear deck in there. Just to see how that look. So now I'm finishing up the back panels and the headliner. I gotta do something to that. And those backside sail panels on the side, I'm about to make some of them. So, but I just want to see how that shit look. Let me see what it look like outside through the back window. Yep. So when you paint this motherfucker purple, you see these guts. Somebody in the comments said called a turtle shell guts. So this the turtle shell seats. That's what we gonna say. Now I'm going back inside. Let's put it out here so it'll be out the way. So this is 12 hours later. 12 hours later, y'all. And this is the winter wonderland. It's quiet as fuck in my neighborhood. You see that shit? It's from the front door. I can't even come outside because I'm cold. I'm in my pajama pants. Pajama pants, man. Yeah, man, I ain't coming out this bitch. So, I had one full day of nothing. But I'm about to go back in the workshop. I might draw some patterns up because I've been watching YouTube all day. So, we going to see what I get into. But it's night, y'all. So I'm going back in the house, letting my heat out. Oops. I thought the summer said something. I guess he didn't. I guess this Mother Nature's a bitch. And it's still winter wonderland. So I'm taking my ass back in the house again. Shit. That's one thing about the United States Postal Service. They don't fuck around. Even in this blizzard, all this blizzardness, they deliver. So this is what y'all doing. Y'all still delivering. Y'all still sending packages. Even though it's a winter storm alert out here. Ain't that right, man? So let me see what these people, somebody that sent me today. Ugh. It's hard to get these boxes. So let me turn it back on in a minute. Okay, y'all. We're going to do something different today. We're going to unbox some of this shit that these customers be sending me. As you can see, it says fragile all over this. I ain't going to put your name and everything on the camera. But we're going to see what the hell these people be sending me to put in their car. So we're going to go through this. So I'm just going to cut this thing open. I don't know what it is. It's a long, skinny box. So let me see what the hell this is. You know what I'm saying? Of course, my dog is right there. He never leave my damn side. So let me see what this is. Oh boy. Okay, y'all. We gonna see. This nigga sent me a piece of the top part of a steering wheel. So I guess he got the whole steering wheel. I guess he could have sent the steering wheel with it, but he sent me the top half of the steering wheel. So this goes to strut. I mean, not a strut. Forgiato or Rucci steering wheel. Okay, so at least I know I can wrap that. So I have to call him and see what color he want that wrapped. So we're going to go to the next one. Okay, we're going to have another box. It says fragile. This box came from Tennessee. So we're going to see what's in this box. Hold on 1 second. All right, got this one cut open. This type of stuff I got to go through every day. I don't got no help. I'm one-man band doing this stuff. Plus I'm snowed in, so I ain't got nothing else to do. We're going to see what this is. Okay. So we got a push button start kit right here. Oh shit. What else is up in this kit? Hold on. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. What the hell is it? I don't know what this is, y'all. Some TVs or something? What the fuck? Oh no, this is the screen. That's the glass for a digital dash. Hold on. Yeah, this is a digital dash kit. Intellitronics. Yep. You guys want to get a nice or a budget digital dash? Get it from Intellitronics. And this is for a Monte Carlo SS Intellitronics. So you guys go get your Intellitronics budget digital. I love these. They're easy to work with, easy to hook up. Good for the money. So you guys get your Intellitronics digital dash. I know how to hook these up. Well, Big Mike gonna hook it up. So we got a digital dash and a remote start. I mean, not a remote start, a push button start kit. All right, let's go to the next package. Next box, priority mail. Okay. So we got some kicker 6x9. Okay, decent. And we got 2 sets. No. What is this? Yeah, 2 sets of 6x9. Yeah, you don't got no 6.5. 2 sets of 6x9s though. I don't know. So I guess I'm gonna put 2 sets of 6x9s in the car. And I think it's for a Monte Carlo. So if it's for a Monte Carlo, that means 2 sets in the back, I guess. So we're gonna go to the next box. There's another box. I literally have a whole room full of damn boxes that I don't even open up. I just mark the car on there. I don't even open up till I start the car. So we're gonna see what's in this one. I think this goes for a Cutlass, 72 Cutlass or something, 68, 69, 70. I don't know, Cutlass. We're gonna see what's in here. All right. So evidently they got 4 or 5 of them in here. Let me see. Well, I can't open this shit. Hold on, man. Let me get this razor blade. We're gonna see what the hell going on in here. Okay. We're gonna see. I'm trying to do this shit with one hand. Okay. Kickers. Whole bunch of kicker shit. What is this? What is these? I can't even pull them out this box. But kicker 6.5 inch. 6.5 inch. So we got, I guess it's 2 boxes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Shit, man. Boy, I tell you. Yep. So we got 4 sets of kicker 6.5s for a Cutlass. I got a blue Cutlass up there. 70 photo. So we're gonna see. Got some of his stuff. One more box, cause I got so many boxes. I ain't gonna open all this stuff up. The last box I'm gonna open, cause I'm tired already. Okay. Have y'all ever heard of Rockville DB15? If so, comment in the comment section. And I want to know what the hell this amp is about. I know it's an amp. It's a Class D. Let's see, Class D monoblock high power amplifier. So I want to see what this look like. Okay. So we're gonna see what this customer sent to put in his car. So we're gonna find out. Y'all seen it just as I'm seeing it. It look like a Alpine, like an Alpine knockoff, like the shape of the amp, just like an Alpine, some stackable Alpine amps. That's what it look like. 6,000 watt peak. Woo. I ain't gonna even take it out. Because I don't want to put it back in the box. So we see. Well, this type of stuff I do every day. I get packages every day. So I'm gonna put all this shit back in the storeroom or spare room in my house, and when I need it, I'll get it. But right now, I'm just gonna put Cutlass on the box. Let me see. Cutlass. Boo. That's it. So I'm gonna try to go do some sewing today. So otherwise I might just sit back and watch a movie. But until then, remember this. Them ain't diamonds, them squares. I holla.